If you're a small YouTuber or solo creator, here's the harsh truth. You're spending way too much time making videos and trying to grow your YouTube channel because no one ever taught you how to utilize AI the right way. Because coming up with ideas, writing the script, researching keywords, creating visuals, and optimizing for SEO, all of that can be streamlined with just 3 tools. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I utilize ChatGPT, vidIQ, and Pixels AI to not only streamline my content creation process, but also help me to post more content, avoid burnout, and come up with better quality thumbnails, titles, and ideas. Now, you might have heard of some of these tools before, or maybe you've even been using them, but I promise you, if you watch till the end of this video, you will not only know how to utilize them the right way, but also unlock their full potential. And hey, real quick, if it's your first time here, my name is Bobby Orr. I've been a content creator for 3 years. My other channel has right around 60,000 subscribers, and I've acquired nearly 500,000 followers and subscribers across 3 different platforms. And I'm also really curious just to see how far these videos are reaching. Let me know where you're watching from in the comments. The first one I want to start with is ChatGPT. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, but I'm going to be talking about the paid version that's $20 a month. This is like the brains behind everything. This is the base of the system. Now, I utilize this to really give me good titles and good content ideas based around keywords that I've researched with vidIQ. Now, I'll get to that more in a second, but for now, I just want to talk about ChatGPT. I want you to talk to ChatGPT and tell it who your channel is for, who your competitors are, and tell it who your ideal avatar is. Instead of just niching down and giving it vague information, I want you to give it exact information. Take screenshots of your last 10 or 15 videos, upload the transcripts, just upload anything you can into ChatGPT. Then I want you to ask it to save it to its memory. This is going to do a few things. It's going to give you tailored ideas for your channel. It's also going to avoid getting generic AI fluff, and it's going to help you to streamline the process because you don't have to update this every single time that you post. Unlike a lot of other AI tools, ChatGPT has memory and it can save this and it will tailor it and get better each time that you use it. And here's a pro tip. Don't ever type on ChatGPT, talk to it. Talk to it like you're talking to a friend. And whenever you upload all of this to ChatGPT, you need to prompt it to ask you questions that it needs to further assist you. So, after you do this, say, hey, ask me any follow-up questions that you need to better assist me and get really clear on who my channel is for, who my videos are for, to serve them at the highest level. Okay, now to vidIQ. You've probably heard of vidIQ, but I don't use it like most people do. There's only a few features that are really valuable. The keyword research feature, but it's going to score this. Now, whenever you see the score on this, I don't want you to just look at the overall score. I want you to look at the search volume traffic, because that is really going to be the only thing I'm looking at, the search volume. Because if you have something with, decent search volume or even like lower search volume but super low competition, it's going to score higher. But that's not really what I'm interested in. I want you to find things that have high search volume. You can also look at trending topics in your niche and find outliers. With outliers, I've had best results with channels that are around my size or definitely under 20,000 subscribers. Because if you find a channel with under 20,000 subscribers, it's probably fairly new. And if it has a video that's getting 5,000, 20,000, 50,000 views, the algorithm is heavily pushing that. It's not based on the channel authority, the channel volume, or the channel niche. It's just solely based on that specific video. So find those and then recreate them for your niche. And here's the good thing. You can even go with videos outside your niche and use those ideas. So if you have a channel like me that's about YouTube growth, helping entrepreneurs to grow on social media and using content and video, you could even find a fishing channel of all things. Videos taking off that says the top 3 baits for beginners. You can use that and take that and put it in your niche, like the top 3 AI systems for beginners, the top 3 formats for beginners, whatever it is. You could utilize that system because it's proven. You just have to take it and make it your own for your niche. And lastly, one of the best things about vidIQ is actually using the AI coach. Now, I'm talking about the paid programs. They do have free programs, but again, if you're serious about this, you want to save time, go for the paid program. It's not that expensive. You can connect your YouTube channel and it's going to give you specific data. This is not generalized YouTube advice. This is specific data. Ask it to see what titles are working after you have about 15 to 20 videos, and you can start recreating titles, recreating formats that are really clicking with your viewers. So after I get keywords that are ranking and keywords that have a lot of high search volume, I'll take it and put it in the ChatGPT. I need 5 video topics around this keyword. Then I can ask it to write a script. Now, I already have my preloaded scripting frameworks in this, and even after it gives me a script, I always fine tune it and make it more, humanized for my avatar and for my audience, but this does about 99% of the work. And the really cool thing is, after it has a full transcript of the video, I can ask it to make me an SEO optimized description. And this is going to save me a bunch of time. It's going to help YouTube know who to push my video to and know who the video is for, so it can not only rank in search, but also be in browse and suggested. And a little bonus AI tool, I know I said I'm going to be showing 3, but you can actually get my free AI coach in today's video description. It'll help you with titles, thumbnails, video topics, and do most of the heavy lifting for you because I have it preloaded and refined and tuned with all of my frameworks and protocols. Download it in the description below. Like I said, it's free. Okay, and the third tool, this one truly is a game changer. You can find proven thumbnails that are proven to work in any type of niche, upload the link, and ask it to recreate it for your channel. You can give it personal instructions, or you could just say, hey, remove the people out of the thumbnail and then take it over to Canva and, add your picture in yourself. But honestly, this is going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. And even if you've heard of Pixels AI, here's the truth. Most of the top YouTubers are spending thousands, tens of thousands, and even big YouTubers like Mr. Beast are spending millions every year on thumbnails, because if people don't click, they're not going to watch. And if they don't watch, they're not going to see the rest of the video. So the most important part is your packaging, your title, your topic, and your thumbnail. The other tools are going to help you with your topic and your title, but without a thumbnail, which is the first thing people see that draw their attention in, nothing else is going to matter. So you can find a video that you're trying to recreate for your niche, or even other videos that are doing well outside of your niche, but with smaller channels, and you could upload the link to Pixels AI. It'll recreate it for you. And truthfully, this has not only got me more views, but also saved me so much time because I'm not a thumbnail creator. I do have to put this in Canva. I do have to kind of play with it a little bit. But again, these tools will do 99% of the work for you. You can put a good solid 3% in total into the whole process and come out with a banger video, because you can get all 3 of these for under $100 a month. So just a little recap: start in vidIQ, come up with your topic by finding high volume search keywords, stuff that people are searching for regularly. You could also find trending videos in your niche or adjacent to your niche or even outside your niche. Just bring in the idea and make the framework your own. And then from vidIQ, you can go to the ChatGPT, upload everything from there, and you can write your script, have your title and your description. You can also even get your tags there, but I like to use vidIQ for that. And then lastly, you can use Pixels AI. Now, the order I went in is not necessarily the order that you should use. I would recommend using vidIQ and then using Pixels AI to get your title, your topic, and your thumbnail first. Then you can write your script after with ChatGPT. These tools have literally saved me months of work, and this is what I wish I had when I started creating content a few years ago. But having a good idea, getting the click, and having a good script is only part of the process. If you don't know how to hook your viewers from the beginning, then none of this is going to matter, because if people click, but they click right off within the first few seconds, YouTube is going to bury the video. If you want to learn how to make your content irresistible, where people can't stop watching, make sure you watch this video, and I'll see you over there.